Hey, what's going on guys? Ryan here at DetailKing.com, and today we're going to be taking a look at an all-new product, Detail King's Super Suds Foam Gun Vehicle Wash Concentrate. Super Suds is a super concentrated car wash shampoo. Since it's a concentrate, this will help save you on product costs in the long run by using overall less product per car wash. The product is specifically formulated for both foam guns and foam cannons to provide the highest quantity and most dense suds possible. The product is also biodegradable and pH neutral, which means it's perfect for lifting dirt and grime on any paint job. Here we are using Detail King's MTM foam cannon, Detail King's Tornador foam cannon, which is powered by an air compressor, and DK's Garden Hose foam gun. You can tell just how much thicker the suds are with Super Suds concentrate. These thick suds help provide optimum lubrication and make achieving a swirl-free wash a lot easier.
There's no denying what we want. There's no denying what we want. Playing games, no. There's no denying what we want. There's no denying what we want. Playing games, no.
Okay guys, hopefully that helps show you just how dynamic Super Suds is. If you like this video, make sure to give us a thumbs up. To see more videos just like this one, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you check us out on Facebook and Instagram to stay up to date on everything Detail King. And as always, to see more about any of the products you saw in today's video, visit us right here at DetailKing.com, where we have all the products to keep your car clean like a Detail King. See you guys next time.